Who doesn't love listening to some good music? Whether it's punk or instrumentals, or rock, or maybe even old school music, everyone has got their jam. It's hard to find someone who doesn't like one form of music or the other. Except maybe, weird people? Which is why the music industry is home to many multi-millionaires and a few selected billionaires. But you don't have to be the one in front of the mic to get the money. You can also make some cool cash from the comfort of your home. In the rapidly evolving music industry, technologies are currently being integrated to one another, and many people are jumping on the opportunities that come with this new age to make some dough. Whether you're a seasoned baker in the music industry, or just an old school DJ who likes doing his thing, or perhaps you're just a music lover with no knowledge on the best tools to use for your audio edits or even how to get started, you've come to the right place. Because in this video, we'll show you how to harness the power of AI tools to improve your audio production while opening the doors to lucrative opportunities. But before we talk about how you can market your skills and meet the right clients, why don't we talk about some of the hottest AI tools in the market that you've just got to use? These tools will not just step up your game, it will revolutionize your sound. Okay guys, let's get into this. Adobe Audition. Adobe Audition is the ultimate sound production toolkit, boasting a comprehensive suite of editing and correction tools. Believe it or not, this simple tool has the power to transform ordinary audio files into industry-compliant masterpieces. From live recording and analysis to fixing, polishing, and delivering, Adobe Audition excels on every front. But to spice things up a little bit, this incredible tool has also been integrated with Adobe Premiere Pro, which facilitates effortless video sound editing. So you're not just making money from audio editing, you can also get yourself a side gig as a video editor. Insane, right? Unfortunately, all good things require some money. And while its subscription-based model may discourage some, you've just got to admit that it's one of the best audio editing softwares in the industry. The unparalleled audio editing tools make it a worthy investment for serious audio editing enthusiasts. Audacity. Audacity is another platform that you've just got to check out. This smart tool offers a plethora of effects and features, making it a match for some other super expensive subscription-based platforms. But let's not list names, shall we? Whether you're a beginner exploring the basics or a seasoned pro diving into complex editing tasks, Audacity caters to all skill levels. With support for multiple platforms and a vast library of plugins, the possibilities are endless. While its interface may initially scare off newcomers, a bit of patience and exploration unveil a world of creative potential. This software requires just a bit of audacity to master. But get this, it's one of the best audio editing platforms out there. A Shampoo Music Studio. Packed with essential recording, editing, mixing, and organization tools, A Shampoo Music Studio offers exceptional value at an affordable price. And the good thing about it is it has a relatively easy to navigate interface, so it doesn't scare off most beginners. But you want to know what's even more special about this platform? It comes with some cool features such as cover art creation and CD ripping. A Shampoo Music Studio is the best option for independent producers that want top-tier stuff without having to break the bank. Apple Logic Pro. For Mac users, Apple Logic Pro is the best audio editor out there. It's no secret that anyone who is anyone in the industry is probably using Apple Logic Pro for audio editing. And we're talking about the big names like DJ Khaled. The good thing about Apple Logic Pro is that it has a very easy to use interface and cutting-edge features, which makes it a splendid choice for both professionals and beginners. But you'll have to afford a Mac PC first before tackling the battle of its one-off payment system. But if you've got the money, then by all means go for it, because when it comes to quality, Logic Pro always delivers. Ableton Live. Ableton Live is one of the most flexible tools for playing around with new music, because it allows you to make use of a digital audio workstation to get as creative as you can be. It's no wonder why Live is loved by performers, recording artists, and stay-at-home musicians. It allows you to play around with different sounds. Although some might find it hard to learn, but the allure of the lifetime license and endless creative options make it a worthwhile investment that you should definitely try. Now that you've learned about the various tools that you can use to kickstart your audio editing career, all you have to do is get started in building a portfolio that would not only show off your skills, but also attract clients. This might be challenging in the initial stages, but it's guaranteed to fetch you a boatload of money in the nearest future. After building your portfolio, it's only right that you put your skills to work by finding a client that appreciates your art and time, because you might be the best audio editor in the world, but your efforts would never be appreciated if you don't find the right client. With that being said, you can make use of platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to showcase your skills to potential clients. If showcasing your skills across multiple platforms seems challenging, start with one and gradually expand your presence. Or better still, you can consider hiring a social media marketer to handle this aspect for you. While it's an expensive investment, the increased visibility will attract more clients, and it would definitely pay out in the long run. So let's explore the best and proven ways to increase your social presence and make money with your audio editing skills. Shall we? Search engine optimization. The first thing you should probably consider when trying to promote your skills is creating a website and advertising your skills. But of course, you'll have to get people to know you first. This can be easily fixed by enhancing your website's visibility on search engines through SEO. You can easily start a blog on your website that discusses topics relevant to your industry, which would inevitably link you up to like-minded individuals. From there, you can move them to the business side of things and show them all the wonderful things they would be getting if they decided to collaborate with you. Freelancer platforms. Who says you need to stop at advertising on your own website? You can also make use of some popular freelancing platforms such as Freelancer, Fiverr, and Upwork to speed up the time it'll take for you to get your first gig, since you'll have a higher likelihood of coming across a potential client, especially when you don't have enough funds to invest in SEO. You just need to make an interesting profile that shows off your skills, set your rates, and upload your portfolio. As you look through job listings, make sure that you only apply for the type of work that you can do. Your reputation will soar if you work hard and do good work, and clients will come to you on their own. However, be careful not to overpromise in bids. Being honest is very important. Biting off more than you can chew can cause bad results and damage to your reputation, while reducing your chances of making more money in the future. Targeting a specific niche. But that's not all. Did you know that you can improve your chances of being found by a serious client by specializing in one niche? Focusing on a particular field can make all the difference. You can get a constant supply of customers if you focus on a certain field. For example, if you're great at editing audio for videography projects, use your success with one client to get more of the same kind of clients. This approach not only keeps the workflow smooth, but it also gives you valuable information about what the industry needs. You could improve your knowledge while working on similar projects and get better rates by taking